In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the different aspects of what group therapy is. Not only that, I'm also going to be breaking down the two different types of group therapy, some of group therapy's benefits, and I'm also going to be talking to you about how the process of group therapy actually works. My name is Emmanuel with Sandstone Care. Let's jump straight into it. What is group therapy? Group therapy, which is short for group psychotherapy, is when a therapist treats clients with similar issues in one group session. If you were to join a group therapy session, you will find yourself discussing similar topics as you would during individual therapy. In group therapy, the therapist often picks the topics for the session, or the group chooses what topic they would like to discuss together. This is awesome because you get to listen to other people share their stories and their struggles. It helps to show you that you're not alone in fighting the challenges that you're currently facing in your life. And also, just so you know, group therapy is available for all different types of challenges and obstacles people face in life, such as mental health, substance abuse, trauma, grieving, and more. So there's no short supply of finding the group therapy that you're truly looking for. Now let's get into this next question. What are two types of group therapy? As I mentioned a moment ago, there is group therapy for all sorts of different challenges and obstacles people face in their life. But the two types of group therapy I'm going to talk about here are open group therapy sessions and closed group therapy sessions. Here's the difference between the two. Open group therapy sessions mean that new members can join the group at any time. During open group therapy sessions, you might have a set number of sessions that do not need to be completed in any particular order. Group members might have more or less experience, meaning that some members might be fresh, brand new, while other members have been there for a while and have a bit more knowledge of what to expect from a group therapy session. Closed group therapy sessions, on the other hand, mean that only specific group members can participate in these sessions. This group has the same members from the start of the therapy to the end of the group therapy sessions. During closed group therapy, you work on building your skills together, which is kind of similar to going to a class in school. This core group is building relationships, and when it comes to learning, everyone there is staying on about the same level. Either way, both open and closed type of group therapy sessions share the same benefits. It really comes down to whether or not you feel more comfortable getting to know the same people over time, or if you'd rather join a group and learn from members that could be at different levels and points in their own journey. It's a win-win either way. Now, what exactly are the benefits of group therapy? The truth is, there's actually quite a lot. To break this down, here are 7 different benefits group therapy has to offer, even though, again, there are a lot more. It's less expensive than individual therapy. You are able to relate to others in the group. You're also able to practice social and communication skills. The 4th is you're able to work on coping skills with peers. The 5th, you're finding role models that have similar issues. 6, you're able to build more self-esteem. And the 7th benefit is that you're able to feel this sense of community. Remember, at these therapist-led sessions, more people are being treated and coming together, and the group members are working together towards this common goal. It's awesome being able to have other people there to support you with your recovery instead of trying to figure this all out on your own. If you've been listening and made it up to this point, you might be thinking to yourself, does this group therapy stuff actually really work? Yes, it does. It's understandable if you may have a few concerns. What if you don't feel like speaking? Or what if you don't like the other members of the group? Or even, what if you don't trust anyone and don't feel like saying anything at all? That's all okay. Because during group therapy, you can learn from other group members, even if you have nothing to say. You don't need to talk the whole time. I hope that after hearing that, it helps to take a bit of pressure off of you about going to these sessions. Rather, when you go to these sessions, you are still able to grow just from listening to others and get something out of it for yourself. You don't have to talk. But on the days you do want to share, there's a therapist and other people who are sharing similar struggles that you're going through that care about what you have to say. So to answer this question, does group therapy work? Yes it does. If you're really feeling like group therapy isn't for you, individual therapy is still an option. In the end, all that matters is that you are getting the help that you need and getting the support that you're looking for. So now you know a little bit more about group therapy. But before going, we're going to answer one last question. Where is group therapy available? If you're already familiar with support groups like 12-step program groups or AA, Narcotics Anonymous, these are great places to start. Even though these support groups don't have the expertise of a therapist to help with these complex issues, after talking with a peer in one of those groups, they may be able to help lead you to a recovery program or a professional therapist that can get you started in group therapy right away. If you've already considered support groups and you've talked to someone and they still can't help lead you in the right direction, no worries. Here at Sandstone, we actually will be glad to help. At Sandstone Care, we offer treatment programs for teens and young adults that are dealing with the struggles of mental health, substance abuse, or even addiction. So I can guarantee you that giving us a call will help lead you to finding the help that you are looking for. To get into contact with a live, real person that will want to get to know you and your situation, you can live chat a member right now at sandstonecare.com or call them by using the number you see below. Even though it may take a little digging, the group therapy that you're looking for, it is out there. All right, that's all for me. If you have any other questions that you would like Sandstone Care to answer, just make sure to leave them in the comment section down below and we will respond as soon as we can. I hope that this video was a helpful resource for you. Have a good one.